Welcome back to another episode of Flipping with Simeon. I'm your host, Simeon. We're here at First Ave, located in Texas City. It's been a little while since we've been here, so I'm here to show you the progress of what's been completed. Follow me, let's take a look. We're back here in the living room, which is the entrance of the home. If you take a look, we retextured the walls, fixed all the imperfections, and painted. We still have the hardwood floors covered up until we're ready to refinish them. Here we have tile, which is for the flooring, as well as the shower. The tile guys are ready to start tomorrow. If you look at the ceiling, we fixed all the imperfections in the ceiling as well. Now let's take a look in the dining room as well as the kitchen. Here in the breakfast area, we retextured the walls and we have not painted as of yet, so you can see the raw form of the look. In the kitchen, we've resurfaced and repainted all the cabinets, removed all the appliances. Let's take a look in the washroom. This is originally the master bathroom. Now we're in the laundry room. We replaced them. We put a washing section, dryer, and the water heater is going to come here. Let's go take a look at our master bedroom. As mentioned before, our largest transformation is going to be within the master bedroom. If you look here, this was our entryway into the washroom, which now converted to our master bedroom closet. On this side of the wall, we've opened the wall and added a new entry into our new master bathroom. Take a look at our progress at this moment. Here in the bedrooms, we repainted all the doors as well as trim, textured the walls, taped and float, and painted the walls. We're going to add a fan, and we're going to be pretty much done in the bedrooms other than the flooring under the paper. Let's go take a look at our bathroom. As you can see in the hall bathroom, we gutted everything, and it's now ready to put back together. Here in the 4-car garage, we removed the majority of the objects that we're going to get rid of. And if you look around, we actually set up a shop to where we could paint all the original hardwood doors. Thanks for watching another episode of Flipping with Simeon. Once again, I'm your host, Simeon. See you guys next time.